ANSYS Maxwell tutorial course. ANSYS Maxwell simulation. Finite element analysis. Electromagnetic field simulation. Electric motor design. Generator modeling. Transformer analysis. Magnetic flux distribution. Magnetic field analysis. Torque calculation. Force computation in electromagnetics. Stator and rotor analysis. Eddy currents in motors. Core loss estimation. Core and winding design. Electromagnetic force analysis. Motion simulation. Magnetic saturation effects. Flux lines. Visualization. Magnetic reluctance modeling. Winding inductance calculation. Hogging torque reduction. Boundary conditions in ANSYS Maxwell. 3D simulation of electrical machines. Flux density measurement techniques. Electromagnetic transient analysis. Nonlinear material modeling. Parametric study of electrical devices.